Woohoo! There's fresh meat over there, and I haven't eaten in, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes! Oh my gosh! I better go check it out, don't you think? Hey, what's up, Mr. Panda? Mr. Panda? Ooh, what's this? Ugh! Well, Mr. Panda, Mr. Panda!
What is it? What do you want?
I forgot. Let me, just reach over here and... Yum, 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 yum. Oh yeah.
Hee.
The Adventures of Tony the Tiger 2 coming soon to a cereal box near you.